Mastering everyday English. The phrase, "We need more ice." Hello and welcome to another episode of Mastering Everyday English. Today, we're going to dive into a simple yet common phrase you might encounter in daily conversations. We need more ice. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it naturally in various contexts. Let's get started. At first glance, "we need more ice" seems straightforward. It's a request or a statement about a lack of ice. However, the beauty of language lies in its nuances. This phrase can be dissected into three parts. 1. We. This implies that the speaker is including themselves and at least one other person. It's a collective need. 2. Need. This word indicates necessity. It's not just a desire for ice, it's more urgent. 3. More ice. This specifies what is needed. The word, more, suggests that there is some ice already, but it's insufficient. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various situations. Let's explore a few. 1. Social gatherings. During parties or meetings, you might hear, "We need more ice," if drinks are being served and the ice is running low. 2. In a workplace. In office settings with a communal kitchen, this phrase can pop up if the ice maker in the fridge isn't keeping up with the demand. 3. At home. Family members might say this to each other during hot days when everyone is looking for a cold drink to cool down. It's also worth noting the tone and context when this phrase is used. For instance, saying it calmly suggests a simple need, while saying it urgently might imply that the lack of ice is a significant inconvenience. In some cultures, having ice in beverages is very common, while in others, it's less so. Understanding this can help when interacting with people from different backgrounds. Also, the phrase can vary slightly. Here are a few variations. 1. Could we get some more ice, please? A more polite request. 2. I think we're running low on ice. A softer, more indirect way of saying the same thing. 3. Let's add more ice to the list. Used when planning shopping or to-do lists. The phrase, "we need more ice," is a simple yet practical part of everyday English. It's about expressing a need in a group setting and can be used in various contexts, from casual to formal. Understanding not only the words but the situations and nuances can help you communicate more effectively. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep practicing.